bayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong bangaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na naghihingi, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pamay di magdidinig, luman ang araw ng walhagin pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling mo, ang inigaya ng pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is JRV TV Corporation Channel 16, the commercial TV station with permit number BST-248-2028, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission and Philippine Television Incorporated, valid until December 25, 2028. JRV TV Studios is located in EDSA Commonwealth Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. This channel is owned by the International Broadcasting Network Channel of the Philippine Television Incorporated or IBNCPT. JRV TV operates under supervision of the following Professional Recreation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission and Engineer Jason Kudo, PECE number 345. And carried out by the Electronics and Communication Engineer and Technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Recreation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Michael Howden, EECE number 5736. Lori Almando, ECE number 7978. Claro Mark, ECE number 9058. Violet Aquinosa, ECE number 222. Bacon Black, ECE number 666. Underall Electronics Engineers number 35357. Burley Com, Electronics Engineer number 12386. Arlene Francis, Electronics Engineer number 10986. Comi Santos, Electronics Engineer number 87995. Hydro B. Dine, Electronics Engineer number 46748. All programs on this station have been approved by the News and Movies and Television Review and Classification Board and via satellite on the 10 stations nationwide. TV16 Manila, TV4 Ilocos Norte, TV9 Batanes, TV34 Cebu, TV10 Halahala, TV3 Davao, TV4 Zamboanga, TV7 Tawi-Tawi, TV90 Cagayan de Oro, TV1 Hulo. This is JRV TV Channel 16. Now, sign on.